tell in the video, but that is huge. Also, I waited for it. Let's unbox that Threadripper. Alright, cool. Rip here. This fanfare. Kind of heavy. Wi-Fi antennas. Cables. Oh wait, oh, it comes with the Wi-Fi chip. Bag full of SATA cables. Yo, we didn't even think about getting SATA cables. Thank you, MSI. Backplate and SLI bridge. Thank you. Ooh, ooh. It comes with some stickers. Oh wait. Oh, for neat. Look at that. Labels. Yeah. Cool. Hold on. Wait. I gotta cut. Don't put that in. Oh my god, that's so bad. Don't put that in. What does dual mean? We got 2 cards there? This looks exactly like the Asus phone packaging that I had. There we go. This handle. But it's white. Kind of blue. Zach for helping us. Shout out to Zach. Yo, thanks dude. Link in the description. To what? I don't know.
Put his phone number in the description. Thanks, Zach.
You ever go to the Micro Center in Edina? You hit up Zach. Cables and cables and cables and cables and cables. Yep, that's the power supply. That's all that needs to be done with that. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing some G.Skill. It's unboxed. With the Samsung 960 Evo MZ. It's your whole hard drive. Pretty little bad. Here's what I'm pretty excited about now. First water cooler. Okay, here's some rad fans. Got your radiator and everything. And I assume these are. I assume it's pre-filled. Stays. No, I think it stays. I'm fairly certain.
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Carrier frame SP.
Well, yeah, look, you see this little hole right here? It goes right there.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this.
And then you screw, screw this down through that hole.
That frame.
That's actually quite handy.
So,
I like how
if we slid that guard out, we slid the guard out like that.
That is handy.
And then.
That's nuts. That is like really good.
Who gave us a YouTube channel?
This is
And then
nuts.
close 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
That is also, though, it's more, you know, it's more streamlined and more safe.
I was so nervous installing my processor because I was just like.
So we got like, what?
The top of the closet.
We tried to put the risers in. Came in the case, but they're not going in all the way. You should be able to just screw them in. Like you can on that first one, and I don't know why you can't on other ones.
Yeah, I just got this one in. Like,
Yeah, that one's fine.
done. That one's tough.
There's hand hotties.
So where are we?
Cheese? No, I don't.
Bump. The road.
But I do. I know. But
Bumpy road.
3 o'clock.
I know.
Let me go get a shot of the clock.
No, Ben, look at my $900 clock.
Look at his $900 clock.
Ben. $2.51 in the morning.
Give us a lowdown on what's going on here while food is fried in the background.
Pump. In. Radiator. In. Fans. On. Radiator. In. Graphics card. In. Power. Power supply. In. RAM. In. The little wireless thing that came with it. Thanks, MSI. In. Everything is hooked up. Except for the second CPU power plug.
Which is because
We didn't know that that was a thing. I used to have the GTX 295 graphics card.
So yeah, tomorrow we go to Micro Center again. Alright, new Turbo Cult Rig 2017 Will It Post Edition.
It's full of LEDs. Oh wait, no, we gotta plug it in first. Over there.
Is that on?
Here.
That's all good.
Keyboard. Will it post?
Ooh,
Exhaust fan good.
it's not beeping yet.
Radiator fan good.
Pumping.
Keyboard's lighting up. Mouse is lighting up. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh. Reboot and select proper boot device.
Hold on, let me hack this quick.
Is it working?
No. That takes a few minutes.
It just like instantly copied all the files.
Yeah, usually that first part takes a little bit. That was
Just basically instantly from the USB drive to the M2.
USB 3 to the M2.
So how long did that take to install Windows? 2 minutes? 3 minutes?